Hello. Magandang umaga. Mga nakakapanood ng channel natin. Bali pang 4 na araw na natin dito sa Manila, pero parang wala pa tayong ginagawang vlog. Panay tinatamad lang eh. So ngayon gumising ako, pero medyo tinanghali na rin eh. Mag-ano na lang tayo, wala kung kahit mag-jog lang ng konti. So tapos may pool naman sa baba, kaya mag-swimming mamaya. Pero di yun libre. Bali may bayad din. Bali din ngayon, baka double yung babayaran natin. Instead na 150, 300 ata. So yan, tayo pupunta yan dito. So yung tinutuluyan namin, yan siya, yan dun sa baba tayo pupunta. Yan tayo mag-iikot, jog. Okay, so bababa tayo dun.
Ground floor. Going up.
Wala kang papel. Nagtrabaho ka dito eh. GT pa na ako ito.
Yan na tayo sa sa labas. Yan, dyan. Okay naman, ayos naman. Set up muna tayo ng camera. Wala palang lifeguard dito. Walang lifeguard na duty. Mamaya maliligo tayo. Hindi na lang tayo babawi. Okay, set muna tayo ng camera. Yan. Start tayo mag-jog. Ay, hindi naman jog, parang lang. Walking lang muna. Wala tayong gamit na sneakers, running shoes. Gamit natin yung sneakers. Sneakers na pang lang, pang rockers. mamaya baka niya madami ng maliligo. Holiday pa naman. Kaya jog lang tayo ng jog lang tayo ng konti, tapos baba na tayo ulit dito. At saka maligo na tayo. Bigat ng kasi katawan ko. Panayan inom kain. Pero maganda na rin na papunta kami ng ng Baclaran Church. Na importante, napunta ka ng ibang lugar, punta ka ng puntahan ng church. Kaya okay na rin. Dyan lang tayo. Simulan na natin. Pam yap.
false alarm. Red flashing lights, well this time I'm not going to watch myself die. I think I made it a game to play your game and let myself cry. Buried myself alive on the inside so I could shut you out and let you go away for a long time. I guess it's okay, I puked the day away. I guess it's better you trapped yourself in your own way. And if you want me back, you're gonna have to ask. I think the chain broke away and I felt it the day that I had my own time and took advantage of myself and felt fine. But it was worth the night. I caught an early flight and I made it home. I guess it's okay, I puked the day away. I guess it's better you trapped yourself in your own way. That if you want me back, you're gonna have to ask nicer than that. Nicer than that. With my foot on your neck, I finally have you right where I want you. 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 I guess it's okay, I puked the day away. I guess it's better you trapped yourself in your own way. That if you want me back, you're gonna have to ask nicer than nicer than and if you want me back, you're gonna have to ask nicer.
Ayan. Ilang ikot lang ba? Oh, maling. Napaka-porkid naman. Mga 6 na ikot lang ata. So, save lang muna natin battery.